Hello everyone, and today we are doing verb avoir in form negative, and we have already done verb etre in form negative. So in case if you have missed, the link is there in the description box. Go through it, it will be helpful to you. And before starting, let me introduce myself to you. My name is Sangita from Easy French, and today we are doing lesson number 16. Okay, so let's begin. So guys, let me tell you that verb être and avoir are the backbone of French language. So if you are really interested in the language, go through all my videos on verb être and avoir in affirmative form or in negative form. The links are there in the description box. And before starting, let me also take the opportunity of thanking all my viewers for liking my videos and for writing so beautiful and encouraging comments. So a big thank you for that. So let's start. So today we'll be doing verb avoir in the present tense in negative form. So it's the pattern is going to be the same. So what we have to do is we have to simply take the verb and then what we have to add on either side of the verb. Let's see. So today we are going to learn verb avoir in the negative form. So now verb avoir, it means to have. This is the infinitive. So we are not going to use the infinitive. We are going to use the verb in the conjugated form, add ne and pa on either side of the verb, and then it becomes negative. So let's see how we are going to do that. So now if you want to say I do not have, what you have to do is je means I. So take the pronoun je, then conjugated verb ai is avoir. So je means I have, then ne and pas on either side of the verb and it becomes je n'ai pas. Je n'ai pas means I do not have. Now you know that je form is used for feminine and as well as for masculine, both can use je, right? And one more thing is this apostrophe. So this apostrophe we have done at many places, especially in my lesson on alphabet, accents and apostrophe. 3 videos you can find this explanation of apostrophe. Go through them, because if your basics are weak, then you won't be able to learn this language. So basics have to be very strong. Clear? So go through these videos. Now next will be, so next is the second person singular tu form. So you do not have. So for you, tu is informal like tu in Hindi. So tu are. This is the conjugated verb. Tu are means you have. Now to make it negative, no and pa on either side of the verb and it becomes tunappa. Tunappa, and it is used both for masculine and feminine. Okay. Now next is the ill form. So he does not have. So for he we use pronoun ill. So ill is the verb conjugation. So ill means he have or he has. Now na and pa on either side. So it becomes ilnappa. Ilnappa means he does not have. Clear? Now, so next is she does not have. So for she, we are going to write L. Means she have or she has in the affirmative form. In the negative, na and pa on either side of the verb conjugation, and then it becomes el nappa. El nappa. And please do watch the video till the end, because at the end there's a revision. So next will be now first person plural form. We do not have. So for we are going to use nous and avons. So nous avons, we have in the negative form, ne and pas, and it becomes nous n'avons pas. Nous n'avons pas. Once again, nous n'avons pas. Remember this apostrophe, so it means we do not have. Okay. Now, so guys, a big thank you to all my viewers for their generosity of posting lovely comments. And please, I need your support and your wishes and your comments for this video as well. So be generous and do like the video. And one thing more, do watch the video till the end. So now we are doing with the next form, that is you or you all, means you do not have or you all do not have. So for you we use who, which is formal. Okay, and now you know that who is masculine, feminine, singular, plural. For all things we can use who. Now the verb is who away. So who's away? Who's away means you have or you all have. Now you do not have, so again you have to add na and pa on either side of the verb. And especially for who, there's a small video in the shorts, so the link is there in the description box. Do have a look, because if you do not know the basics, then it will be very difficult to learn a language. Okay, so now it will be wuna vepa. Wuna avepa. So wuna vepa means you do not have or you all do not have. Clear? It's formal. Now, next is the ill form. So, if you want to say they do not have, then ill is the pronoun, plural pronoun. Now, or ilso means they have in the affirmative form. So, they have. Now, na and pa on either side of the verb, and it becomes they do not have. So, ill no pa. Ill no pa. Okay, they do not have. And you know that ill is this in the plural form, it's only masculine. And one more place, can you remember? Do you remember that one more place where we can use ill? Yes, you are right. We use ill when there is a group of masculine, feminine, we use ill, and we use the verb in this form only. Okay, same way. Clear? Now next will be, so now, if you want to say they do not have only for feminine, then we use L form. So L in the plural form will take a S. So elzo means they have feminine only. Then na and pa on either side of the verb, and then it become el no el no pa. This S will be silent now. So el no pa means they do not have. They do not have el no pa. So now let's have a quick revision. So in the singular form, je n'ai pas, I do not have. Tu n'as pas, you do not have. Il n'a pas, he does not have. Elle n'a pas, she does not have. In the plural form, nous n'avons pas, we do not have. Vous n'avez pas, you or you all do not have. Ils n'ont pas, they do not have, masculine. Elle n'a pas, they do not have, only for feminine. Thank you for watching, and please like the video. Thank you.